Ingredients. Mini pizza crusts. You can find these in the grocery store or make your own using pizza dough. Pizza sauce, store-bought or homemade. Shredded mozzarella cheese. Toppings of your choice: pepperoni, sausage, bell peppers, onions, mushrooms, etc. Instructions. 1. Preheat your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit, 218 degrees Celsius. 2. Place mini pizza crusts on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. 3. Spread pizza sauce over each crust, leaving a little space around the edges. 4. Sprinkle shredded mozzarella cheese on top of the sauce. 5. Add your desired toppings on top of the cheese. 6. Bake the mini pizzas in the preheated oven for 8 to 10 minutes or until the cheese is melted and the crust is golden brown. 7. Remove from the oven and let cool for a few minutes before serving. Enjoy your delicious mini pizzas with pizza sauce.